Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 2, File Management and Data Organization, Part 3. Today's topic, Searching Files Using Wildcard Characters, Understanding Different File Formats, Objectives. Children, let us read one by one. Searching file using wildcard characters. Asterisk, question mark, @ exclamatory mark. Wildcard characters are special symbols that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact names you don't know. Two wildcard characters which are commonly used in Windows are asterisk and question mark. Children, let us see the example of asterisk. As you can observe on the screen, near the search option, you may enter L*** so that the files whose names start with L followed by any number of characters and have extension will be displayed on the screen. .docx will search for all the files having the extension as .docx word files. As you can observe the screen, a list of documents appear, children. Example of question mark wildcard characters. The wildcard character question mark can be used in place of any single letter or symbol, children. As you can search MS question mark, the list of documents appeared on the screen related to MS. As you can observe the screen, children. Understanding different file formats. Children, we all notice that while finding a file or folder using wildcard characters, we made use of the file format extension of files. But you are aware of any of the file format? What they are used for? So, let us observe some concepts related to the file formats, children. Different types of files can be stored in the computer. As you can observe the screen, example text documents, image files, presentations, etc. Each type of the file has different file format with the extension associated with it. Documents. A file saved in Microsoft Word has the extension of DOC or .docx, children. Spreadsheets. A spreadsheet created in MS Excel has the extension of .xls or .xlsx, children. Image files. Image files are usually saved with a number of file formats: .gif, .jpg, etc. Audio files. Audio files are saved with the extension of .mp3, etc. Presentations. Presentations are created with MS PowerPoint. Those are saved with the extension of .ppt or .pptx, children. The file types is also indicated with its file icon like MS Word, PowerPoint, etc. Sorting files. Sorting files means arranging the files in a proper order as name, size, item type and data modified. If you want to arrange the files by name or by size or item type or data modified, first you need to right click on the blank area of the desktop. As soon as you right click on the desktop, a short menu appears on the screen. And as the required need, you can arrange them by name, size, item type or data modified children. Working with multiple applications. Sometimes we need to work with multiple applications at the same time, children. For example, if your teacher gives a task related to a presentation of presidents, you have to work on MS PowerPoint, isn't it, children? And you need internet connection for it. So, let us observe how we can work with multiple applications at the same time. To open PowerPoint, click Start menu. Step 1. Click All Programs. Step 2. Click MS Office. Step 3. Click on PowerPoint. PowerPoint window will be appeared. Now, click on the Google Chrome icon. As you can search on the Google Chrome, the required content will be appeared on the screen. Now, right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. A menu will be appeared on the screen. As you can see the screen, children, you can click Show Window Side by Side. As soon as you clicked Window Side by Side option, both the application window will be displayed side by side. Now you can browse information on the topic simultaneously and work on your presentation. So by this we completed lesson number 2, children. Task of the day, children. Write the objectives in textbook, children. Fill in the blanks. First one, moving a file or folder means shifting it from its dash to another location. Answer is source. Dash option is used to change the name of a file or folder. Answer, rename. You can find a file or folder by typing the keyword in the dash at the top of every window. Search box. Answer is search box, children. Dash and dash are two wildcard characters commonly used in searching the information. Asterisk and question mark. A dash is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. Answer is file format. State true or false. First one, to select a consecutive group of files, click on the control key. Answer is false, children. Shift plus del key combination deletes a file or folder permanently. Answer, true. In Windows 7, we can display only 2 windows at a time. False. The sound files have the extension MP3. True. Asterisk.docx will search for all the Microsoft Word files whose name contains only one character. False. Multiple choice questions. To copy multiple non-adjacent files and folders, press and hold down the dash key. Control key. Answer is B, children. Second one, you can use dash character to locate the file if you know only a part of the file. Answer is wildcard B. Which file extension is used for music files? Answer is MP3. A. Name the application that displays the hard disk drives, CD or DVD drives, removable drives and network location that are connected to your computer. Answer is Windows Explorer. B. Children, we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.